Have you ever wanted your kids to experience a game/competition in the classroom but just can't seem to find the perfect website? Well, welcome to Kahoot. There's a game also called Kahoot.it, but for this we'll be just using Kahoot. Kahoot is a great way for teachers to implement competition and learning in the same website. So I'll be teaching you how to create a Kahoot for your classroom. So you'll be going to Kahoot. You'll have to sign in or log in. If you sign in, it is completely free, but if you want to upgrade, it does cost money. So we'll go to this blue button up in the right corner and hit create. And you can do a Kahoot. I'm just going to do a blank canvas Kahoot, but you can do a generator, which is basically, it'll take your lesson and make AI themes off of that from previous owners' Kahoots. So for this, you can have a standard background, spring background, summer, autumn. For this one specifically, I'll just be doing a standard background, but you can make it any background of your choice. It's quite simple. You'll have your questions, and then your students will get all the answers on their own screens. So you can type in, "What is my name?" So the students will see on your board the question, and then on their own individual screens they'll see the answers. So you could just say Katie, spell it different ways, see if your kids can get it right, and then you'll just click your Katie, and if students click on that, it'll tell them that they're right. And you can also implement pictures in here as well, so you can put your face or any type of topic that you want. So if we're going to add a slide, you can do a classic, and that'll do this. If I add question, I can do a quiz or true or false. If I want to do any other type, I have to get a upgrade, and most schools will provide you with those upgrades, but for now I don't have that, so I'll just be doing a true or false. True or false, you will also do the same thing we did above with the other one. You'll just click the right answer, type your question, put a picture in. You can also set a time limit, so if you want your students to have 45 seconds to answer this long question, say it's a written out question, they can. But if you want it to be really short and quick, you can do 10 seconds or 5 seconds. You can also give like double the points, like double Jeopardy type of questions as well. This is just a great way to have competition and have fun with learning. So make sure to use Kahoot in your classroom.